Welcome to Blueprint for August 28th, 2025. And for today, I'm going to go through my top 3 favorite unknown tips and tricks for TradingView. These are things I use all the time, and I'm hoping you might not have seen them, and it might help you out. First off is economic data. Now, I do intraday trading on Price Action Live with Mike from TradersPost all the time, but it's always nice to know when macro data is happening. The thing is, there are certain things that will happen in the economic data that I want to know about. I want to know some of the fundamental things that are happening so that I'm not surprised by some of the things that are happening on the chart. So if you're not aware, you can click on the symbol search and then actually go to the economy tab and then see all kinds of economic data from all over the world. Here, we're going to focus on what the Fed is doing. And we can get stuff like the Fed funds rate. We can get balance sheets. We can get jobless claims, all sorts of things. So I love to pay attention to the PMI in order to see, hey, what does this diffusion index say? And are we in expansion or contraction phase in the economy? I also love to look at the jobless claims, which we can see here. Now, one of the interesting things about the economic data is that you can't actually set up an alert for this. If you try to set an alert, it'll say, hey, you're on the wrong type. But what you can do is grab the ticker, head over to another asset. Let's say Bitcoin that's active all the time. Then on this chart, you can click on the plus symbol to add this on its new pane. And then now you can go ahead and create an alert, choose that from the dropdown, and you can set your alert accordingly. So one of the ways to get around it. All right, so we're all comfortable with the bar replay mode where we can go ahead and replay from a different point in time. And now you can change the speed and timing of the replay as it occurs. But did you know that you can simulate your own type of trading style in the bar replay mode? Just by clicking on the sell and buy buttons at the bottom right. As we go ahead, you can get a sense of how you trade. You can use your own indicators, you can use your own analysis and see, hey, what would I have done at the time? And what kind of results would I have gotten? Now, when I take a look at my replay trading panel down here, I can see an overview of what my performance would have been and a list of my trades that I can go take a look at. A great way of figuring out, hey, how would I have traded back in the day? Or you can even just replot trades that you've done before on the chart to get a sense of what your performance is when you're trading in a discretionary manner. Not everyone likes to jump into code and create a strategy and import CSV files and all that sort of thing. So this can help you out quite a bit. And finally, on Price Action Live, Mike and I talk a lot about the options space. Not trading options directly ourselves, which is also great and you can do with the TradersPost platform, but also the idea of expected move. What is the options market saying about what should happen in whatever time frame for the asset that we're trading? But you might not want to sit there and learn all about option spaces and gammas and thetas and deltas in order to figure that out for yourself. Well, there's a little bit of a hack you can do. So here we can go into the options panel. I'm going to do that here for the NASDAQ. I'm going to head down to my strikes for implied volatility. And I can choose, let's say, tomorrow's option for August 29th. Take a screenshot of this, paste it into ChatGPT and ask it, what is the expected move for NQ tomorrow? ChatGPT will analyze it and then let me know, hey, the market is pricing in that NQ will likely close between 18,465 and 18,935 tomorrow. Now, it's not perfect, but it's pretty cool to be able to take screenshots of information and have AI be my options consultant in order to tell me what can happen today, tomorrow, and the next day. All right. Well, those are my favorite things to do on TradingView. I hope these tips help you out. We're going to be back with even more tips and tricks in the future. Click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.